Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, let's fix Instagram filters not working. So first thing first, check if your application is updated or not, because at times when your application is not updated, it will show you feature errors and filter errors. So open your Play Store or App Store and then search for Instagram. Now if you see update, select update. As you can see open, that means your application is already updated. Next step, long tap onto your application, select the eye icon. It will land you to a settings page. Select storage and you have to clear the cache. Now if you remember your credentials, I also recommend you to clear the data, but read all these and delete. Come back onto App Info page, force stop it, and then select OK. Now you have to launch your Instagram, refresh your page a couple times, and see if it fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then that just means the feature or the filter is not available to you in your region, and all you have to do is wait for it to be available in your region. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.